Hi, I'm Dima. In this video, we'll cover one of the Kinescope video protection features, DRM Encryption. It's the maximum level of file protection. The video can be downloaded, the stream can be captured or the screen recorded, but it also comes with a few limits to keep in mind first. In this video, we'll go through it all. Let's go! Unlike a password, which controls who watches the video, DRM controls what can be done with the file. It's stored encrypted. To play it, the players request a temporary key from the license server, a new one each session. Decryption is handled by the device's built-in DRM modules, Widevine in Chrome and Android, FairPlay in Safari and iOS. Before you turn it on, check 3 requirements. First, your site needs an SSL certificate. DRM only works over HTTPS. Second, if the video is already embedded, make sure the embed code includes encrypted media in the Allow attribute. Without it, encrypted videos won't play. And third, the video you want to protect must be in a separate Kinescope project. DRM encryption is enabled only at the project level. Now, let's turn on DRM in your Kinescope account. In the catalog, click the 3 dots next to the project name. In the context menu, select Project Settings. Click Turn on Encryption. Read the conditions carefully, so the feature works correctly. If all looks good, confirm the action. Once confirmed, encryption starts automatically for every video in the project. It usually takes less than a day, and your videos stay available to watch throughout. Once it's on, keep 3 important things in mind. First, you can't turn encryption off yourself. That's only possible through a request to a technical support. Second, after that, in the dashboard you can only download the original video. Renditions and the other qualities won't be available via direct links. Third, for maximum protection, DRM doesn't work in Firefox ESR, US browser, Firefox on Android, or Chrome Incognito mode on Android. All set, DRM encryption is on, your files are fully protected. That's it. For more ways to protect content with access controls and watermarks over the player, see this collection and our knowledge base. Thanks for watching. See you on Kinescope. See you in the future.